everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is about the device status service in the repair shop management menu. I recommend you watch this video carefully because understanding these 4 statuses will make issuing invoices for your clients easier and help you work with other services on the repair shop management menu more effectively. As you see, there are 4 statuses in this service. Inline status, which occurs when you issue a repair ticket for a device brought in for repair, whether it's a mobile phone, laptop, household appliance, car, etc. After issuing a repair ticket, the device will be directly added to the repair line. Under repair is for when a repairman starts working on the device, its status will change to under repair. Ready or ready for delivery. After the repairing process is complete, whether the device is repaired or not, it will be ready for delivery to the client and delivered. Finally, when the client takes the device, its status will change to delivered. Now let me explain these statuses with examples. I won't delve into too much detail since all the points related to issuing a repair ticket have been fully covered in its own video ticket. Now, let's issue a repair ticket for a device brought in by a client. As you see, the repair ticket I just issued goes directly to the inline service and is at the end of the list, which makes total sense because previous ones were issued earlier. Now, let's assume a repairman wants to work on the device. The first thing they need to do is to change the device's status from inline to under repair. For that, we need to click on the repair ticket and change the status to under repair. After closing the pop-up window, you'll see that the device has been removed from the list of inline and is placed under repair, as you see here. Now let's issue an invoice for the items or services provided for the device, either by clicking Insert Invoice or the Add icon. Let's add a few products, for example this item. And as I selected James Edwards as the repairman, I'm going to select them here too. Services, battery replacement, and this is their bill. If you find that you've accidentally added a service or a product twice, like I did, you can use the delete option to remove the duplicate entry. And if the repair process is complete, you can select Ready from here and then save. So as I change the status to Ready, let's go here, and as you see, the device is here. And finally, when the client comes to pick up their device and pay for the products and services provided by you, you can either click on their name or the bank card icon. As you see, a pop-up will appear where you can see the details of the device, ticket number, the client who brought the device, and the invoice amount. And by clicking on the info icon, you can also see the invoice. As we assumed that this device was repaired, I needed to change this to repaired, but I forgot it, so I'm gonna do it now and save. And as you see, it's repaired. There are also 2 options here. One is for client's payment history, and the other is for settling a payment for products and services provided. After selecting the shortcut to journal entry option, A pop-up will appear with details of your client and the amount they owe you. Receive from, client's name, and for this ticket number, let's add financial transaction now to settle their debt. Check out this form, fill in the parts or edit them, then save and save again. And you'll see that the debt has been paid. Again, don't forget to change this to repaired and then change to delivered status. As you see here. And this is how the repair process works, from receiving a device for repair to delivery. And for those of you who have a label printer in your repair shop, there is also a feature on Finty for printing labels. So when a client brings in a device and you as a repairman open or disassemble the device to repair it, you might take out some parts or components, but the repair process sometimes may take a while. So what you need to do is to print as many labels as you need and stick them on those parts you've taken out to indicate which devices they belong to. And to do this, go to the inline service and then click on the printer icon to print labels for parts. Then click on Print QR Code. Here you can print as many labels as you need. Just adjust these settings for your desired spacing, size, and other specifications, and then save those settings as default. This way you can use those settings every time without having to make any changes. Then print the labels and stick them on any small or large parts you need, such as batteries, adapters, hard drives, or the components you take out from the device, for example CPUs, RAMs, and etc., to prevent them from being mixed up with other devices or being lost. This feature helps you maintain an organized workspace. Let's close this now. Another useful feature of Finty is for when a client comes to pick up their device and the receptionist is not available and you don't know the client and don't know whether they are the owner of the device or not. In that case, go to the Ready status, click on the printer icon, delivery code, and then click on Send Device Delivery Code. This sends a text message to the device owner, so when the client reads the code to you and you verify the code, if the code is correct, then you'll realize the device does in fact belong to them, and then another text message will be sent to them informing them that their device has been delivered. And that's it for these 4 services, and thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.